to present my final project. So this is the slides, and I'm designing an iOS app with XCode and Swift, and I'm designing it for 2022 American Solar Challenge. So I'm going to present my ideas, features, implementation, and my final thought. So I came up with this idea to design a solar car racing app because I'm on the school solar car team, and we participated in the 2021 American Solar Challenge last year, and it was a nice experience. So and I also like to design a mobile app to get user location and retrieve the current weather condition, and also sunrise and sunset time, because I know those factors are pretty important. Like it affects the solar car, impacts the solar car a lot after this race, and because whether it's rainy or sunny, influences the solar car in a big scale, because it's getting solar power from the sun. And also we are so also it's important for us to sustain the car by charging our array with solar power. This is the way we charge our battery. And I also like to work with some API calls and connect with AWS, which is Amazon Web Service, and I'm also using core data for my data storage. So these are my features, and register and view teams and connect with AWS, which you'll see later. Upload files to AWS and check current weather of the user location, and check sunrise and sunset time. Basically, I'm doing it for the next day, because we've got to get prepared and charge our array for the next day. So we're checking actually the next day, the run sunrise and sunset time for the next day, and we're presenting a map view of the current user current location, and add and view, and also the organizers can add results, and those results can be viewed by by teams. So this is my implementation, retrieving data from APIs and upload image to AWS Amplify and core data. So I'm going to do a live demo now. So see, here is my app, and if I run it, so this is my file structure, if you see, and also I'm implementing a video background, looking video background. So this is our solar car, the black one, Illinois State solar car, and this orange one is Illini UFI solar car. Yeah, UFI. And this one, the blue one, is Kentucky. So we can change the color scheme here and change it to dark scheme, but yeah, let's just leave it light for now. Going to show you. So this is the service we are using, the AWS S3 and Amplify. Yeah, so these I've already tested with these, and so if we click go to app, it's slide to our main app, and you can see the 5 tabs: teams, weather, service, solar, and sunrise, sunset, and result. And I'm going to input some new team here. It's just use a new team. For example, Illini 22. And those are real data. features. I just this one I couldn't find it, so I just um, get just input from my memory. I think it's around like 25 or 30 or something. Yeah, let's make it 30. 30. Okay. So contact email. So I'm just getting the contact email here, like down here.
You're clear for traffic. Thank you.
Yeah, I still, yeah. Basic here, I think it's this one.
You're clear for traffic. Thank you.
So so this is their official website. So I'm going to input here, and basically there are two vehicle classes.
You're
One
clear
is
for traffic.
a single occupant vehicle, and one is a multiple occupant vehicle. Like single occupant vehicle only has a driver without passengers, and multiple occupant vehicles has passengers and drivers. So I think last year they are SOV,
Yeah,
so I
yeah,
assume
yeah.
next year they are going to use SOV too. And last year they were in AIC, so I'll just assume this year they'll stay the same. They are possibly in AIC. You see, if I click register, it shows down here like which team,
Yeah,
team
yeah,
number,
yeah.
and registered on which date.
Thank you.
So if I go down here, it shows their team, and if I go to visit us, and you will see it's opening up their official website in Safari. So let's just go back, and this is their email, and when I put it down here, and if I click, this is where we interact with AWS, Amazon Amplify, and if we uh, let's bring up here, like if we say upload, and we refresh here, it's going to, you can see it appears down here. It shows Eli their team and car. So this is how we interact, upload to AWS like S3. So it's really nice and see. Yeah, I'm not going to that very deep because you can see my code, and I import power plugins and amplify init and configure init, and yep, that's how I did it. And if I click download, it downloads it from S3. So if I click download, you can see it shows up their picture here. So yeah, it's really nice, and yeah, I think it's time for us to show some other features. If we click on weather, it asks us the permission to share our current location. So I'm using my current location, which is normal now. So if I click share current location, it shows our the current weather in normal. So we can see here now it's 8:54 p.m. and mean temperature, max temperature, wind speed, and humidity. So I've already shared my location, so that's why it gives me the location of normal. You can see nearby places. Yeah, it's map view, and when I click on the solar, or we want to show the solar sunrise and sunset time, and we share our location. You can see because we want to charge our array, so it's better for us to get ready for if we know sunrise and sunset time the next day. So this is how we charge our array. We face it up to the sun and to an angle. So if it's vertical, it receives the most solar power. So and you can see down here I show the sunrise, sunset time, solar noon, day length, and civil twilight, nautical twilight, and astronomical twilight. All this stuff. Yeah, all the information. So it's hopefully it's useful for us to refer. And so you can see here I've already had a key results input. So if I click here, it shows the because this year we are doing the Oregon Trail. Last year is the Santa Fe Trail. So this year is going to be a longer distance. And I can see the team number, name, triggering or not, official miles, loop miles, deduction miles, official time, average miles per hour. Because yeah, it's all real data from the what we had last year. So I mean, for an example, doing this for an example. So if we can import more data if we want. You can see if we have Kentucky. Kentucky and the triggering or not, we are saying no. Official miles 906. Deduction miles, official time. So we are converting the seconds to hours. So that's what we're doing here. Is converting it to 33 point 03. Sorry, 03. No, 3419. 3419444. 3419444. Yeah. And the average is 29400. And when we click add, you can see it appears down here, and so it's showing every information, all official miles, loop miles, deduction miles. Yep. So this is my app. So yeah, well, so I'm going to bring up my final thought. So if I have more time, I'm going to really like to work with some real-time location, like showing the route and nearby services, and do some more interaction with AWS, not only uploading images, but also files and other things. And yeah, there are many things we can work with AWS, like Lambda function, everything. And also, yeah, my initial thought was to use augmented reality with the car. Yeah, that would be cool. So if I'm more time, I'd really like to do that. Also, I like to work on something related to machine learning, because I've worked on it before, and yeah, it's really like it. Yeah, I was thinking about like asking the user for feedback, and yeah, evaluate their sentiment. So that was my initial thought. Yeah, that would be cool if it works. Yep, that's pretty much it.